Guys, and welcome back to the kingdom. I hope you guys have had positive and productive weeks this week. So this week I'll be sharing with you guys the sprayed edge I did on Gearbreakers. Now I don't actually have it with me at the moment because it was a commission, so I have sent it out. I have shipped it out and it is headed to my customer. However, it did have a stunning red background which was so stark against the interlocking black gears that climbed along all three of the edges, so top, side and bottom. Anyway, without much more wishing from me, we'll jump into the time lapse. And there you have it. I'll probably include a little clip here where you guys can see the finished product again and some photographs. I really love how it's turned out. I think it's really stunning. I think it really jumps off of any shelf and is a really fantastic way to have finished and adorned that particular book. If you guys would like your own custom sprayed edge or just full-on special edition, please don't hesitate to contact me as I do them all the time. I do have a couple of slots available left before Christmas. Not many, but I do have a couple. Two, in fact, so do hit me up. So you've got Etsy, you've got my website, you've got any of my social medias. I'm always contactable through there. If you guys want to see some of my whips, some of my works in progress, some of my projects before they come out on here on YouTube, then be sure to check out my Instagram as they'll all be over on there. Also, I have managed to break 400 subscribers. I know it's like not a lot, like in the huge scheme of YouTube, but for me, having 400 subscribers is fantastic, and I can't thank you guys enough. So you guys are awesome. Anyway, I hope you guys have positive weeks this week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.